Hello guys, welcome to Current Affairs Preparation. Today we will discuss top 25 current affairs MCQ of the May 2nd week. Let's begin the session. First question is, on which date International No Die Day is observed? And the answer is 1. May 6th. May 6th is celebrated as International No Die Day, and May 5th is International Day of Midwives and World Hand Hygiene Day. And 4th May is World Asthma Day and International Firefighters Day. And 3rd May we celebrated as World Press Freedom Day, 2nd May World Laughter Day and World Tuna Day. And next question is, how much amount has been announced by RBI for priority lending by banks for COVID related healthcare infrastructure? And the answer is 50,000 crore rupees. For this scheme, banks will lend to entities such as vaccine makers, medical equipment suppliers, hospitals and related sectors. Banks can give loans under this facility till March 31st, 2022. And this loan will be repaid for a period of 3 years, and this loan is classified as priority sector loan till repayment. And next question is, Mamata Banerjee has sworn in as West Bengal Chief Minister for dash time, and the answer is 3rd time, and West Bengal Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. And next question is, S&P Global Ratings has projected India's GDP growth rate. India's GDP growth rate at dash percent for the financial year 2022. And earlier S&P Global Ratings projected India's GDP growth rate as 11%, and now it is 9.8%, and S&P Global Ratings headquartered New York, USA. And next question is, which of the following state has declared journalists as frontline COVID warriors? And the answer is 3. Odisha. Odisha government has announced Gopabandhu Sambandhika Swasthya Bima Yojana for journalists. It will be benefit for 6,500 journalists. A health insurance cover of 2 lakh rupees will be provided to each journalist, and 15 lakh rupees will be provided to families of journalists who died from COVID-19. And CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik, Governor Ganeshi Lal. And next question is, who among the following has assumed the charges of Chairman and Managing Director of THDC India Limited? THDC means Tehri Hydro Development Corporation India Limited, and it is a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC. And the answer is 4. Vijay Goyal. And headquarter of the THDC India Limited is Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, and NTPC headquarter New Delhi. Next question is, the world's longest pedestrian suspension bridge named as Arauca was opened in, and the answer is 2. Portugal. And Portugal capital is Lisbon, currency is euro. Spain capital Madrid, currency euro. Italy Rome euro. Brazil real, and France capital Paris, currency euro. Next question is, name the Mahatma Gandhi's former personal secretary who passed away recently, and the answer is 3. V. Kalyanam. Next question is, who will be honored with the Icon Award at the 2021 Billboard Music Awards? And Billboard Music Awards held at Microsoft Theater, Los Angeles, California. And the answer is 5. Pink. And next question is, the nation's first drive-in vaccination center was inaugurated by MP Rahul Shevale in dash. And the answer is 1. Mumbai. And next question is, as per the Goldman Sachs, what is the estimated GDP growth rate of India in financial year 2022? And the answer is 4. 11.1%, and Goldman Sachs headquarters New York, USA. Next question is, when the World Asthma Day observed? And the answer is 2. First Tuesday of May. For this year we celebrated on May 4th. Next question is, Jagmohan Malhotra, who passed away recently, was the former governor of which state? And the answer is 3. Jammu and Kashmir. And next question is, Mark Selby has recently become the world champion for the 4th time. He is associated with which sport event? And the answer is 1. Snooker, and he is from England. World Snooker Championship held in England. And next question is, what was the profession of Manas Bihari Verma, who passed away recently? And the answer is aeronautical scientist. And next question is, which of the year is observed as the International Day of the Midwife? We already discussed about this question, and the answer is 5th May. Next question is, Indian Army's first green solar energy harnessing plant has been launched in which state? And the answer is 4. Sikkim. This plant is launched in collaboration with IIT Mumbai. 56,000 volt amps. And the Sikkim CM is Prem Singh Tamang, Governor Ganga Prasad. And next question is, the theme of the 2021 International Day of Midwives observed on May 5th, and theme is to follow the data, invest in midwives. And next question is, who has been nominated as the athlete ambassador for the International Olympic Committee's Believe in Sport campaign from India? And the answer is PV Sindhu, Indian shuttler, and IOC, International Olympic Committee headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland. And next question is, former Sri Lankan player and coach Dash has been banned from all forms of cricket for 6 years. And the answer is 4. Nuwan Joysa. And next question is, what is the theme of 2021 World Asthma Day? And World Asthma Day is celebrated on first Tuesday of May. This year we celebrated on May 4th. And the answer is 3. Uncovering asthma misconceptions. And next question is, what is the name of the world's largest aeroplane to transport hypersonic vehicles and facilitate easy access to space, soared into clear skies over California's Mojave Desert? And the answer is ROC, Rock. And next question is, what is the theme of World Hand Hygiene Day 2021? And World Hand Hygiene Day is celebrated on May 5th. And answer is 1. Seconds save lives, clean your hands. And next question is, Dash has been named as the 2021 laureate of the UNESCO Gulmaro Khano World Press Freedom Prize. And the answer is 2. Maria Ressa. And Maria Ressa from Philippines. And World Press Freedom Day is celebrated on May 3rd. Theme for the World Press Freedom Day 2021 is Information as a Public Good. And UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization headquartered in Paris, France. And last question is, the World Hand Hygiene Day is commemorated to raise awareness about the importance of hand hygiene in warding off many serious infections. When is the day is observed? And the answer is May 5th. Here we come to an end, guys. If you like this session, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys. I will come up more videos in the next sessions. Thank you.